fight the feeling, 'cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking two together, 'cause we don't know how. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. You think you've got it, oh, you think you've got it, but God, you just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We get together, oh, we get together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. If what they say is
Nothing's forever.
then what makes love the exception? So why you?
Why you?
Are we so in denial when we know we're not happy?